W with MRMIKE.
Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to draw a jack-o'-lantern. Did you know to draw this jack-o'-lantern, all we need are 3 basic lines and shapes? An arc, a line, and a triangle. Are you ready to see how it all fits together? Let's start drawing. We're going to start with a series of arcs that go across. There'll be 4 arcs that go across the top, and then we're going to do another series of arcs at the bottom. So first start about here on the paper, and we'll go across like this, and then another arc, and then another arc, and then one more arc, just like that. And then we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to make it opposite on the bottom. So these arcs will point toward the top, just like that. I know, this doesn't look anything like a pumpkin yet, but you just wait. Now we're going to join the arcs on the sides with larger arcs. So start at the top, and then we're going to make an arc that goes around and joins to the bottom. Right here, and go around, just like that. And now we'll do the same thing on the opposite side. Around, just like that. So now this is starting to look like a pumpkin shape. Now we can add an arc at the top for the stem. So one arc here, and then another arc that's a little bit larger next to it, like that. Next, we're going to create the eyes. We'll need the triangle for that. So let's put a triangle here, and then another triangle here. And now we'll create the mouth. The mouth will be one arc here, and then we're going to stop. So create an arc, and then stop. And then we'll make another arc right here. So leave a space. And we'll make another arc here to finish the smile. And now we're going to do a similar thing on the bottom. So we'll start here and make a point, have the arc come down, and then stop. Leave a space, and then we'll continue the arc going all the way around and come up to the point here to finish the smile. Next, we're going to add lines to make the teeth. So we'll have a line here, come down, and then go back up, making a point, and then join that at the top. So we'll do the same thing at the bottom. We'll have a line going up, and then come back down, and we made 2 teeth. So now we have a smiling jack-o'-lantern. But we're going to add some detail now. So to add the detail, we're going to create another line here that goes up so that we can see the depth of the pumpkin that's been carved. And we're going to add another line right here. Next, we're going to add the same thing, same idea here. So we'll add an arc here and have it stop at the tooth. We're going to add a line here, add another line down, like that, and then we're going to join that all the way at the top with another arc all the way to the top and have it blend into that point. So when the arc comes around, it meets this line up here. So it looks like the mouth is carved and there is some depth to the pumpkin. And there we go. So now all we have left to do are some small details. We're going to make it look like the stem has been cut. So we'll need 4 arcs. And you have to watch closely because this is a little bit smaller. We'll make a small arc here, and then we're going to reverse the arc. So the arc will go like this. So we have one that goes this way, and then one that goes this way. And then we're going to do the same thing. We'll have another arc here, and then we'll have another arc. Why don't we just do an arc like this? And it makes it look like the stem has been cut. And now we can draw another arc from here to here to make it look like the stem has a detail going down. Next, we're going to just create some arcs to create detail of the lines of the pumpkin. So starting here, we're going to join with this arc. We're going to make another arc. It's going to come down and it's going to stop. Same thing here, we'll have it come down and stop. And then same thing here, we'll have it come down and stop. And then we'll do the same thing at the bottom. We'll go up, stop. And then this, we're gonna go this way so it looks like the arc, if the line continued, it would join to that, but we're only gonna have it go to here. So have the line come up and stop. And then the last one here, have it go up and stop. All right, so now we're going to add a thick line all around the outside. And when you create your thick line, you can make it really thick, and then you can lift up your marker a little bit to give it a little bit of detail so it's thick and thin. And do that all around the outside of your jack-o'-lantern. Just like that. Do this here, here, just like that. Now I'm going to turn my paper. I still have to do this side, but rather than going across the page with my hand here, I'm going to turn the paper to make it easier for me to reach this line. And you can do that too. It's easy to do. All you need to do is turn the paper and make it so that your hand doesn't go across the marker. Now I'm going to add a few more thick lines to the eyes, just this side and this side, and then the same thing on the mouth. I'm going to do down here and then here. What does your jack-o'-lantern look like? Are you going to color your jack-o'-lantern in? I hope so. What color are you going to make it? Thanks so much for drawing with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye. For this and other episodes, drawing lessons, activities, and books, please visit drawwithmrmike.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the Draw with Mr. Mike channel on YouTube, Vimeo, and Facebook.
Draw with Mr. Mike. Let's draw with Mr. Mike. DRAW with MRMIKE.